Hi everyone, this is Frank again on Life of a Game channel. As you know, Sahil is India, so I'm doing unboxing of Xiaomi 9 on his behalf. Welcome to watching our videos. Thank you.
So here's the box of Mi 9. It looks very beautiful. It's silver color and it's written Mi 9. So nothing special. Let's look at the specifications of Snapdragon 855, triple camera, fast charging, 27 volt. So this one is 6 GB variant, 128 GB storage. So let's open the box. So let's see this one first, and it have a silicone cover. And we will get a instruction manual which was in Chinese. Nothing special because this is a Chinese edition. So here we have one SIM ejector tool and one converter. So the blue color make it more beautiful, 4 side curves, and this phone cost me 2,999 yuan, which is 450 US dollar. So on the right side we can see volume key, power on button. On the bottom we can see one mic, one speaker, and Type-C charging port, 2 antenna arrays. On the left side we only have the SIM tray, and on the top noise cancellation, one antenna array, and IR blaster. So the camera is triple camera, and the ring on the camera is really beautiful. The glass used on the back is Corning Gorilla 5th generation. So now let's see the charging cable and the charger. So the charging cable is type C, and the charger which is provided in the box is 27 volt. This phone support wireless charging also, but the company didn't provide it. We have to buy it separately, and it's near about 99 yuan. So I will buy it and I will do a test how fast it will charge, because the wireless charger is 20 volt and this charger is 27 volt. So let's start the phone. So this one is 6.39 inch, 19.5 by 9 screen ratio, 2340 by 1080 screen resolution. So I like the display. They have a U-type notch on this phone, MIUI 10. Let's complete the setup and move forward. So first let's try the face unlock. So let's add our face and let's see how fast is it. So it's quick. Let's try it now. So the face unlock is really quick. Now let's try the fingerprint sensor. So this phone have in-display fingerprint sensor. So let's try it also. I don't like the in-display fingerprint so much because it's mostly lag, but let's try about it. And it's really quick. Yeah, it's quick. So now let's try Antutu benchmark of this phone. This phone have Snapdragon 855, so the score should be really good. Let's try it. So this phone come with Android Pie 9.0, octa-core 2.85 GHz, 7nm chipset, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM. The score is really good. It's near about 370,000. So I really like the score. So now let's play a game, small gameplay of PUBG. So let's see, does it hang or which graphic they use, because this one is Snapdragon 855. So this one is my first phone, Lenovo Z5 Pro GT, already launched in January, which have Snapdragon 855. So I think this one, the second one launched via this one. So let's see the graphic. So we can play in Ultra HDR. We can't play Ultra HD. So I will do a complete gaming review of this phone. In this video I will show very little clip. So I didn't face any lag or heating issue till now in this phone. So the phone is really good by Xiaomi, and this is a flagship phone by them. So we will do a comparison with other brands and other flagship phones and see how good this phone is. And I will get this phone on Monday 4th March, so I will do a complete review as soon as possible. Now I'm in India, so I can't review so much, just my friend helped me to unbox this phone. So if you want to ask me something, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can follow me on Instagram and you can ask me there. I will definitely answer you. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and support me as you are supporting from long time. So see you then.